Hi there, this is Caroline, herbalist, naturopath and nutrition consultant, talking to you about what's growing in nature all around you, what's growing in the hills, what's growing in the fields, what's growing in the meadows, what's even growing in your back garden, and teaching you about how you can use this as medicine to help yourself and your family. And that's what this YouTube channel is all about. So if you like what you see, please do click on the link, subscribe, then you get notified of when I'm doing another one. So who are we talking about today? This little beauty. This is lilac. Now, it comes from the Greek, a bit close up so you can see her. She's beautiful. She comes from the Greek pasha, which means passage. And apparently during the times of the Mayflower, the ship the Mayflower, when they boarded the Mayflower to go to find a new island, a new life basically in America, all the women would bring a sprig of lilac like this onto the ship as a good luck for a safe rite of passage. So that's what it is. So it gives you safe. So it has a lot of history in folklore as being protective as regards journeys go. As far as medicine is concerned, it's interesting because most of the medicine comes from the fruit and from the leaves, of which also from the flowers, but mostly, like I said, from the leaves. So what it's for is for constipation, which is interesting. However, you'll find out there that the ingredients with the constipation is constipation syrup, which I make as well, is using the flowers, but I also put in the leaves because I know this has also got the chemical constituents that can help constipation. It has been absolutely loved and adored since antiquity in perfumery. Okay, I mean, there's no scent, like the honeysuckle is glorious, the rose is delectable, but the lilac is just unbelievably gorgeous. And perfumists for years and years and years have been trying to capture this scent. And I'm a distiller, and you cannot capture the scent of this most beautiful perfume in distillation, okay? It involves this technique that's called enfleurage. Okay, and what that involves is sitting the flower heads in a layer of fat. It's the way you have to make rose petal oil as well, right? That's why it's so expensive. This in order to, I think it's per kilo of these flowers is £100,000. So that's a lot, or 100,000 euros or something, but that's a hell of a lot of money in order to make just 1 ml or 10 mLs. So in all honesty, poor perfumery has lost out with this one because it just shows that nature just can't be copied. So beautiful, I love it, it's absolutely fine. If you eat the raw flowers, they are particularly good for flatulence and also for constipation. So there we go, really good. Had a lot of eggs for breakfast. Delicious. It's astringent, it's very, very, very slightly bitter. It's very good as a skin toner, so you can make it into a lovely water for the skin. Really good for skin rashes. But like I said, its main medicine is the gastrointestinal tract. So that's the one. Oh, it also has, I forget now, just remembered, it has an amazing ability to be able to stop diseases in their tract. So diseases that are, growing and really getting rather out of control, like viruses and various things like that. It'll just stop them in their tracks. Doesn't mean you get well straight away, but it just stops it getting worse. So it's a really great one to have on your side. To have a cup of tea of this is not going to do any harm at all. So, she's such a beauty. So enjoy the hedgerows and the gardens of springtime. Bright blessings.